Oh, hey, what's going on? You know, all these cheap, stupid tricks make me hungry. How about you? Yeah, I could go for something, preferably a sandwich. Yeah, sandwich would be a great idea. Problem is, most sandwiches are stupid, because they don't make any for clowns.
They do now.
What? Hey, what? Yeah, exclusively at Hook Me Up, you can get the clown sandwich. What? That's right. Not only can you meet and eat at Hook Me Up, the best little sandwich shop in the world, but there's also an incredible thing on the menu. Get the clown! I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, super handsome.
Debonair, very good taste. And it's also super cool, ultra supreme, wicked awesome sauce. That means it's good. So meet and greet us at Hook Me Up, the best little sandwich shop in the world. And don't forget to order the clown. And just like most of us clowns, it's not funny at all.
It's just really good.
So where are you gonna meet me? Under your bed or at Hook Me Up? That's what I thought. We'll see you there. And don't forget to order the clown. Hook me up, man.